Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we'll dive into a fantastic tutorial on how to deploy a React app on GitHub pages. If you are a developer looking to showcase your projects or share your work, this guide is perfect for you. Let's get started. And before we begin, make sure that you have a GitHub account and a React app ready to go. If you haven't React app yet, you can easily set your own up by using the create react app tool. Here you can see this npx create app, or you can use white also. Mm. for th- for this tutorial, let's get started by going to our GitHub account. This is our GitHub account. Let's go to repositories and create a new repository where you want to deploy your app, and your url will look like something like this, and this is the main url. You can also deploy it on your username url, where this is your username, and your uh, uh, repository name will come here. So you can ask any questions. If you want to ask anything, then just go to how to, then issues, and create a new issue here. Okay, so let's close it and let's create our new repository and create name it as react app on GitHub pages. It's a long name, but let's keep this name here, and copy paste the description. We don't want to add readme, and let's create a new repository. And for now, you can also now uh, clone it and run it on your own local machine, but for this tutorial I'm creating a new code space. The code space feature is provided by GitHub for free. So let's create a code space now. I want the VS Code editor, not the Jupyter, so I will edit the URL like this. And after editing, uh, we have to do some things, just like install the GitHub pages dependency, and set the homepage URL, set a script, and we are ready to go by running npm run deploy. You can optionally, these are the git repository commands, and it will create a new branch called gh pages on your repository, and the gh pages will contain the build output of your react app. Or you can manually run npm run build and directly upload the html and css and js files to react app. That's the easy way, so we are not covering it here. We are being professional here. So for that, let's create a new react app here. Delete this and type, let me copy it from here, and I know this will take time, and add a dot here. We want to create the react app in current folder. Yes, and it's creating our react app. Be patient. If you have less time, then you can skip also. Skip this section. We don't edit our videos in general, so this section might not be edited, so use the skip buttons. Until I'll show you something that how to prepare this URL. uh, for this, copy this syntax, paste it here, and this will contain your username, your GitHub username. In my case, it's texted, and our repository name is react app on GitHub pages. So this will be our website URL. It's still creating. Let's wait for some time until no, we can't do it. And let me explain these things before creating the React app, that is pre-deploy, that will run the build version of your React app. npm run build, and deploy will deploy your build repository. It will be build folder to GitHub pages on the branch gh pages. So this is the thing we are going to do. These are the git init command. If you want to run the things locally, then you have to initialize the git repo, add remote origin, uh, stage all changes, commit it, and finally push it to the origin of your remote repository, and we will deploy it. That will trigger this gh pages script. We can already run it manually. We can also run it manually using npx gh pages ddip build. So this was all the things, and we are good to go here, and our repository is installed. Let's check it by running npm start. And this is our React app currently loading, and this is our React app, and we can learn React from here. But I will suggest you using Next.js, as in this page I have added a video of free Next.js hosting on GitHub pages. I will replace it with the current video that is being made, but you can also check out this video. And on my channel you will get so many things about in video section, that get how to get a free hosting and Next.js, JavaScript, video player related things here, stuff here, free database hosting, client side data fetching, comments, so many things. Okay, so these are the things, and let's go back here, and now the real process starts. I will also show you the second process. Now first we need to install GitHub pages package as a dev dependency in our React app. Open your terminal and navigate to React project directory, and then you can type it also, or I will just copy and paste it here. Save dev, you can also use dash and capital D. This will install the gh pages dependency. And next we need to update the package.json file. Add the following properties here, that the following property is homepage. Let me show you manually, and you can also go to playlist section, and you can also join our Discord or Telegram community, GitHub community, anywhere, YouTube community you are already in, to stay connected. So let's go to package.json. You can also ask your questions there, and for now we have to add homepage and then our URL of our repository, that is username repository. Okay, so we have created the URL, copy it and paste it. I am doing it because this thing, for the static assets, just like this. Let me explain. Yeah. You can escape if you don't have time then. Okay, so this is our URL, our main URL, that is this. Okay, but we are deploying it to /10 something, means we are not deploying it to the main domain, we are deploying it with something in path. So for paths, for path we have to specify in home page, because uh, if you don't specify the path, uh, this will the static media will be fetched from our, just like in my case, texted.github.io, then this, but our media will be inside slash react app on GitHub pages, then this. So it will create a 404 error. So that's the reason why we are adding the home page here, so React app can easily identify that where we have deployed our app. So that is the thing. And another thing we have to add is pre-deploy and deploy methods. So pre-deploy will firstly build our production version, and in HTML, normal HTML, CSS and JavaScript, and after deploy will deploy all the things into a new branch called gh pages, and then our we can in the main, I will show you, wait a little, text sheet, then let me show you, wait for some time, go to repositories, and we can easily deploy our app using just by going to GitHub pages. If you do know about GitHub pages, it's easily, we can do it using deploy from branch. We are not using actions. You can also deploy it using actions and click on save, and this will deploy our main branch to website. But after using gh pages, it will, I will show you later, uh, don't take it so much seriously. It will deploy our gh pages branch to GitHub pages. That will also contain a normal index.html file. So that was the things. I think I have explained well to you guys, and our next step is to npm run deploy. That will run this command, npx gh pages -t build. Okay, so let's firstly publish it, add this to our git repository. Okay, then it's our deploying time. We have run npm run deploy, and it's building our app. Let me show you in the repository. We have published these things, and gh pages, a new branch is automatically created. Oh, we did a mistake, or you can easily fix it by going to changing to gh pages. If you don't publish it earlier, then it will automatically publish your gh pages branch. But let's go back and publish your gh pages branch, and if any error comes, let's go to settings and find where the problem is. It should not run, or it will run, but it will show the readme file, because we have deployed the main branch first, and for deploying it again we have to run this thing again. Let's try this. Instead of npm run deploy, this will not work. We have to add npx first. Okay, so it's published. Let's go and refresh it. Let's go to gh pages. Okay, let's load it, and our react app is ready. So we can install this other stuff, and this is the way your react app is published on your GitHub pages absolutely for free. I focused on explaining things, not on only just showing the process, because you can go get the process anywhere. You can just copy paste these things and you will not understand anything. Maybe if you already know these things, just copy paste it and you don't need to watch this video, but this video is for beginners. So thanks for watching. If you need any help, anything extra you want to ask, just go to our repository and go to TechSet, then how to, or I will planning to add something in our main website, or create a issue or create a discussion, anything on our main website. This is not completed yet. So thanks for watching the video.